Ever wish your business could literally clone your expertise so you free up hours while serving more clients? I'm about to walk you through exactly how you can do that with AI. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how industry leaders are turning their content into on-demand income-generating clones, even if you're tech shy or just getting started. Hi, I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs who crave higher, more consistent months with a repeatable system. I've helped business owners scale faster by letting AI do the heavy lifting. And today I'll walk you through creating your own expert clone step by step so you can finally take a breath, serve at scale, and grow with ease. Here's the game plan. First, I'll show you the biggest mindset block coaches have around cloning. Next, I'll reveal the 2 simple assets you need to start. And finally, I'll share a real-world story of how one leader's AI clone paid off big time. Here's the most common obstacle: fear and stress about getting started with AI or recording content. If you've ever thought, "This is unknown and I'm not the tech expert, I don't want to get it wrong," you are not alone. Every high achiever I know felt that at first. Here's your solution number 1. Reframe the process. Nothing you record or upload is permanent. You have total control. Most platforms let you update and improve anytime. That simple shift takes off the pressure and makes experimenting actually fun. Solution number 2, you don't need fancy gear or endless teaching calls. Start with just one 7 to 15-minute tutorial. Pick your most frequently asked question and simply answer it, as if teaching a client. That's enough to begin, and you can always add more as you go. If this is helping you see what's possible, hit like and subscribe so you never miss future AI strategies. Bonus tip: the real magic happens when you organize your best links and resources as a content spreadsheet. Not only does this feed your AI more value, but it becomes the go-to reference for everything you've ever made. No more lost videos or forgotten posts. One of my clients started with just a handful of tutorials, and within a month, her clone was handling client FAQs, program content, and freeing up enough time for her to launch a second offer. Let's recap what you just learned. Fear of being on camera or messing up isn't permanent. AI makes updating easy. You only need a short tutorial to get started, not hours of content. As you grow, your clone grows, and organizing your resources supercharges the process. Ready to get your hands on the free moneymaker GPT and shortcut your AI journey? Click the link in the description and let's build your clone together. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world. See you in the next one.